How to cancel transfer on Remitly account. Let's get started. Whether you have changed your mind or made a mistake, I have got you covered. So let's dive right in. First things first, grab your phone and let's open the Remitly app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. In the home page, if you have got an ongoing transfer, you will see it at the top of the screen. Tap on the View All button right next to the transfer option. You will see three dots next to the transfer you want to cancel. Tap on that. Then hit Transfer Details from pop-up menu. Scroll all the way down in the transfer details and you will see the Cancel Transfer button. Go ahead and tap on it. A confirmation will pop up. Tap Cancel Transfer. Again, if you are sure you want to proceed. Now you will need to choose a reason for the cancellation. Select the one that fits best and tap Submit. Remember, depending on your situation, there might be a cancellation fee, so keep that in your mind. And that's it. The funds from your cancelled transfer should be back in your account within 10 business days. So this way you can easily cancel transfer on Remitly account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.